What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and let's talk privacy. We're going to be installing a privacy filter for your monitor. This is going to be a 27-inch. It's a premium privacy filter. So for those that are looking for a little bit more privacy, maybe for your home office or for your job away from home, it gives you visibility when you're facing your monitor, less visibility when you're to the right and to the left of your monitor. So that way you're nice and secure. So let's go ahead and take it out, take a look at the privacy filter, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Now in the packaging, you get your privacy filter, of course. You get a nice cloth for cleaning. You also get a prep cleaning kit. And your support information, just in case you need any help. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So that's how you install your privacy screen. One little tip I will give you is make sure that your monitor has at least a 1/4-inch bezel. So this way the privacy screen fits on it correctly. If you have a monitor like this one with a thin bezel, you're going to have a little bit problem. It's not going to fit correctly. So you want to make sure that your monitor has at least, I would say, a 1/4-inch bezel for this to fit on here nice and firmly. Now this is a removable screen. You don't have to have it on here permanently. You can take it on and off. So whenever you need to, just like that, peel it back on when you need your privacy. Hopefully the information that I gave you helped you make your choice. And with that said, this has been Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one.